My name is Kendall and I am a Light Elegance brand ambassador here in Moncton, New Brunswick. Today I'm going to share with you a few different ways on how to create crinkled nail art. It's a really fun, cool texture design that you can use any combination of color and products and still have it look fabulous. So today we're going to use a few of my favorite products. We're going to use buttercream, color gel, gel paint. We're going to use some pigments. We're going to use JimmyGel. If you don't have JimmyGel yet, you need JimmyGel. So I just want to thank Beauty Solution for having me create this tutorial for you. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you feel inspired, and I can't wait to see what you create. First, I am going to prep my tip by lightly buffing with my foamy file. If this was a client, you would do a normal prep with your 100 grit file and a very light touch. Next, I'm going in with my LE Pro Cleanser to clean off all the dust and applying tack. Tack is an amazing bonding agent that works well with every client. It's kind of like a double-sided sticky tape. Make sure to cure this in your LED lamp for 30 seconds. So since this is a plastic tip, next I'm just going to go straight in with my buttercream, and I'm using Cleopatra ButterCream and my gel polish bling brush. Cleopatra is this creamy dark tone emerald green that looks fantastic on every skin tone. Cure the first coat for 30 seconds in your LED lamp. So I'm going to go in now and do my second coat. I'm going to do this second coat slightly thicker than the last, but focusing a little extra product towards the middle of the nail. So we're going to leave this coat uncured for now. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to take a little piece of saran wrap, crinkle it up as much as I can. Once I'm happy with the crinkles, I'm going to gently lay it on top of the uncured buttercream. Going to make some of the crinkles slightly higher, mostly in the middle, because I don't want to add any bulk to the shape of my nail. So once I'm happy with that, we're going to cure it for 30 seconds, peel off our saran wrap, and there is our textured nail. So next I'm going in with our premium Pretties, Mediterranean premium Pretties, and our Lil Fluff brush from the Celina Ryden signature kit. And I'm just going to lightly fluff on this Pretties in all the crinkles. You are not going to need a lot of product for this at all. Just a little tiny bit, and just very gently tapping that pigment into the sticky layer of the buttercream. A few extra fluffs just to make sure I have that in all the nooks and crannies. Isn't that beautiful? Now to encapsulate our textured nail. I always use JimmyGel to encapsulate all my designs. I'm going to use the slip and dollop technique. I'm going to start by creating a slip layer. First I'm going to fill in all the little crevices and then paint on the gel like you would just a nail polish. After that, I'm going to apply a dollop of gel in the stress area, which is where you would create your apex. And I'm really going to just let the gel kind of shape itself. I'll use a little bit of the dragging technique as well, just to guide the gel to where I want it to go. JimmyGel is such an amazing self-leveling soak-off building base in a bottle that it can be used so many different ways. That's the best part about JimmyGel, is its versatility. So once you're happy with that, you're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Always make sure to cure your JimmyGel for a full minute in the LED lamp. So I'm gonna cleanse with my LE Pro cleanser and finish file. Once I am happy with my finish filing, I'm going to go in one more time with my cleanser to make sure all the dust is removed. And I'm going to finish this nail with Super Shiny. Super Shiny is the shiniest top coat you will ever find. Once you have applied Super Shiny all over the nail, cure that for 60 seconds. Wipe with your cleanser, and there you have it, our crinkled nail design. It's so pretty. Next up is Well Seasoned from the new Spice collection. This is a deep navy denim blue that is so rich and perfect for this time of year. Starting this just like we did the last one, we're going to do one base coat of color, cure for 30 seconds. We're going to do one more coat of Well Seasoned, and in our uncured layer of gel, we're going to apply our saran wrap. And this time I tried to kind of create a little bit of a design. You'll see I bunched it in the middle, and I'm kind of laying the crinkles all one way. So I'm just going to push those down and make sure they're all going in the direction that I want. So I'm just going to push those down and make sure they go in the direction that I want them to go in. And when I'm happy with that, cure for 30 seconds. Peel off the saran wrap, and there's our texture. So I'm going to pair this color gel with You Grow Girl from the Blossom and Bloom collection. This is a color shifting shimmer that is going to add a lot of dimension and complexity to our nail. I'm going to put it on fairly generously in the center of my design and then wipe the excess throughout. I want it to be a little bit thicker and the You Grow Girl to be more prominent in the middle of the design and then lightly fade out towards the edges. I really want that Well Seasoned to show through. I'm going to encapsulate using the exact same technique as I did in the first demonstration. Once I am happy with my JimmyGel application, I will cure for 60 seconds in the lamp, wipe, and finish file.
Once my design is cleansed, I'm going to finish off with Super Shiny, and then you really see the shimmer of You Grow Girl come through. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. I kind of feel like this would be a really great snowflake nail or a Winter Wonderland inspired nail, even though I don't want to say that word yet. And there we have it. There is our second design. I love this one. I feel like this one just looks so sparkly and beautiful. One last nail design. I used neon orange gel paint and black tie color gel. I've encapsulated and cleansed. So now I'm going to go in with flat matte. Flat matte really does create the perfect canvas for any type of nail art. It has such a smooth finish. Cure your flat matte in the LED lamp for 60 seconds, cleanse, and reveal your perfect canvas. So I'm going to go in with my Stripy brush and my black gel paint. You could do this with black tie buttercream as well if you had that instead. And I'm going to create a simple, fun Halloween design. What could be more Halloween than a jack-o'-lantern? Simple and quick for you, the professional, and fun and festive for your client. This design is so easy and the possibilities are endless. You could make him happy, sad, scary. You could alternate and do a different one on each hand. You could make one for whatever kind of mood you were in that day. I tried to make mine a little scary. So once I'm happy with my design, I cured that, and I'm going to go in with smoking hot pepper and my swirly brush. I'm going to just kind of give his eyes a little twinkle. Smoking hot pepper is a gorgeous black, sort of colorful, holographic, fun glitter. So I chose that to use for today. This glitter also looks really great when you're doing galaxy nail art. After I cure the glitter gel for 30 seconds, I'm going to finish this design using flat matte. One more thin coat of flat matte. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, cleanse, and there you have it. Our fun, spooky, scary little textured pumpkin.
Thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my tutorial. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Stiletto Salon Spa. Don't forget to follow beautysolution.ca on Instagram and Facebook as well for more tips and tricks. And please tag us in all that you create.